In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Xero problem today using a simple step-by-step troubleshooting method that works for most login errors, bank feed issues, and loading problems. If Xero isn't connecting properly, showing errors, or refusing to refresh your bank feeds, don't worry. We're going to walk through the exact checks you should do before contacting support. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. Let's get started. The first thing you need to check is whether the issue is actually coming from Xero or from your bank connection. If you're having trouble with bank feeds not updating, log into your Xero account and navigate to the bank feeds section. Look for any warning messages that mention connection issues with your specific financial institution. Sometimes the problem isn't your account at all. It can be a temporary outage between Xero and your bank. Next, open a new tab and go directly to status.xero.com. This is Xero's official status page, where they report outages and degraded performance. Once you're there, check your specific region and look for any notices that mention degraded performance or connection delays. If you see an active incident, that means the issue is on Xero's side, and you'll simply need to wait until they resolve it. This quick check can save you a lot of unnecessary troubleshooting time. If everything looks normal on the status page, it's time to perform what I call the three-step mechanical fix. These three actions resolve the majority of Xero login and access issues. Step 1 is to sync your system clock. Xero has strict security settings, and if your computer's time is off by more than 2 minutes, it can block access or create authentication errors. On Windows, right-click the time in your taskbar and select Adjust Date and Time. Then click Sync Now to force your computer to update with the correct time server. On a Mac, go to System Settings, then General, then Date and Time, and make sure the time is set automatically. Once your clock is synced, try logging into Xero again. Step 2 is to test using Incognito Mode. This helps you figure out whether your main browser has corrupted or stale cookies stored. On Windows, press Ctrl-Shift-N in Chrome. On a Mac, press Command-Shift-N. This opens a private browsing window. In that window, manually type login.xero.com into the address bar and attempt to sign in. If Xero works perfectly in Incognito Mode, that tells you your regular browser session is the problem. That leads us to Step 3, clearing site data specifically for Xero. In Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Third-Party Cookies or Site Settings depending on your version. Find the option that says Manage On-Device Site Data. In the search bar, type xero.com. You'll see stored cookies and data entries. Click the trash icon next to every xero.com entry to remove them. This clears corrupted cache files without affecting other websites. Once done, close your browser completely, reopen it, and log back into Xero. In most cases, these three steps resolve login loops, authentication errors, and bank feed refresh problems immediately. Always remember to check the status page first, then sync your clock, test in Incognito Mode, and finally, clear site data. And that's how to fix Xero problem today, quickly and safely. If this walkthrough helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more practical accounting software solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.